Hi all, this video is about claiming your home office expenses in your individual tax returns. The financial year 2020, which is just finished, is a little different from the previous years because we all had worked a significant amount of time from our home office due to the obvious reason COVID-19. ATO has three different methods to claim your home office expenses, including the one which they just introduced to cover the COVID-19 lockdown situation. The first method is 80 cents per hour. With the 80 cents per hour, you can claim 80 cents for every single hour you work from home office. For example, if you've been working 10 hours a day from home, you can claim 80 cents multiplied by 10, which is $8. And if you've been doing that for say 100 days, you'll be claiming $800. But the 80 cents per method you can use from the 1st of March 2020 until the 30th of June 2020. If you've been working from home before that time, or before 1st of March 2020, you have to use the old method, which I'll explain later. With the 80 cents per method, you don't necessarily have to have a specific home office set up. You can work from your lunchroom, your kitchen, your bathroom, wherever you want to work from, but you still will be eligible to claim. But when you claim the 80 cents per hour, that will cover your entire expenses which you incurred from working from home. That means it includes your electricity bill, your internet telephone bill, your stationery, your printer, cartridges, your papers, and whatever you have been used from working from home. So once you claim 80 cents per hour method, that's it. You can't claim anything more. But you still have to maintain a diary for 4 weeks. It's kind of a logbook, so it should show a pattern the way you work. For example, if you're starting from 8 a.m. until say 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. So you just record. So you have to do that for 4 weeks. Then ATU will consider that as a pattern to the rest of the time you've been working from home. The second method is 52 cents per hour method, which is always been there. With the 52 cents per hour, similar to 80 cents per hour, you can claim 52 cents for every single hour you work from home. In the same example, if you've been working 10 hours from home, you'll be claiming 52 cents multiplied by 10, which is $5.20. And if you've been working 100 days, $5.20 multiplied by 100, it's $520. But it is still different from 80 cents per hour method, because when you claim 80 cents per hour method, you can't claim anything extra. But with the 52 cents per hour, you still can claim your stationery expenses, your telephone and internet bills, your printing and cartridges charges, and that sort of any extra expenses you had to operate a home office, apart from the electricity and the furniture you used for your home office. So this 52 cents pretty much covering your electricity bill, your furniture setup which you had for your home office. But you still can claim the depreciation on your laptops, your home computer, and things like that. So 80 cents per hour may looks a bit attractive, but it's not probably beneficial for everyone. Depends on your individual circumstances. The third method is actual cost method, which is you actually claim exactly how much amount in dollar wise you have spent to operate a home office. The calculation is a little complicated in that, and I haven't seen many people using actual cost method, because to do that you have to you have to bring all your electricity bill, your telephone bill, your internet bill, and you have to compare and break down. So which means you have to take your power bill, internet bill, and telephone bill for that particular quarter or month, and you have to break down the total units, the total number of units, and break down between your business expenses and the private expenses. Then you multiply it with the dollar value, and that's what you get. But I haven't seen a lot of employees using this. This is mainly used by the people who generally operating their business from home. And occupancy expenses, that's one of the questions a lot of people ask. Can we claim our rent and mortgage expenses from when we work from home? Generally speaking, employees can't claim occupancy expenses. Those who can claim occupancy expenses are mainly the sole traders. They're operating their business 100% from home. For example, a hairdresser convert their garage into a salon, and they're operating their business from the salon, can claim a portion of their mortgage, interest, and other expenses in relation to the principal place of residence. Otherwise, it's very hard for an employee to claim occupancy expenses. But there's a catch when you claim occupancy expenses. When you sell your home, you know that principal place of residence normally don't have to give capital gain tax. But in this case, if you've been claiming occupancy expenses, then you will be entitled to pay a small portion of capital gain tax. Depends on the portion of the house you've been using for you've been claiming in your tax returns as part of your home office. So that's all for now. I hope this video is beneficial for you to complete your income tax returns for the financial year 2020. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot an email. Thank you.